Hi, I'm Diane Cometa, and today on Dishin' with Di, I'm going to show you how to make a healthy oatmeal breakfast smoothie. This is really delicious, very nutritious, easy to make, and there's no cooking involved. So let's get started on Dishin' with Di. So just throw a few ice cubes into your blender because we want this to be cold. And now I have some blueberries here that I've rinsed and patted dry, and also some strawberries. So I have some really good sized ones and they're nice and ripe. So I'm just going to toss these in, and they are going to make this real nice and really nice and fruity tasting. So you can substitute other fruits if you want, but I really like the combination of the berries in there. Then we're also going to use some banana. Banana is loaded with potassium, which is really good brain food, which is something you really could use early in the morning. So we're going to put a good portion of that in there, not the whole thing though. And the nice thing about this is that you can make something like this the night before and then put it in your fridge in a little container, to-go container, and then that way you could take it to school or work and you have everything ready for you right there, and you can just drink as you go. It's perfect. So now we have the oats. Now these are regular old-fashioned rolled oats. You can use the quick cooking oats if you want to, but I like these. I use these for a lot of other recipes. So you're just going to put some of those in there as well. And that is where you're going to get a lot of fiber and extra nutrition. And believe it or not, they're going to chop up and they're going to be really fine, and it's not going to be gritty or anything at all. It's going to be fabulous. This is vanilla flavored almond milk. So you could use regular milk if you want to, but I drink almond milk a lot and I really like the vanilla flavored, so I'm going to add some of that in. So that not only is going to make it, a nice flavor because of the vanilla and the almond, but we're getting, the moisture that we need in there for the smoothie itself. And then to make sure it's sweet enough, I'm going to add some honey, and that is pretty much it. And we're just going to mix this up. So start with it on low and gradually work it up to that high speed until everything is nice and smooth and you see just little tiny bits of the oats in there. And I'll show you what that looks like. And there it is. Look at that. What was that, a minute? And this is delicious. I think I'll put a straw in it. It's nice and smooth, not just the texture of it, but the taste. It's not too sweet, or the oats actually remind me of eating an oatmeal cookie, and that's one of the reasons I really love this. So you have to try it. Something totally different and a great way to start your day.
Hi everyone, and welcome to Nico's Baby Food once again. Today we're making a breakfast smoothie for the kids to get a great start to the day. So let's get started. So the first thing that we want to do, guys, is grab a banana, and I just want you to peel the banana. And don't use a mushy banana for this, use one that is just right, just ripe. Now what I want you to do is just cut it into slices. Now obviously, guys, you're going to need a blender for this, and I want you to put in the bananas first. And to the bananas, guys, I'm going to be adding in some frozen berries. Now the frozen berries I've got here are some strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and some raspberries. Now the reason why I'm using frozen berry, guys, is because it keeps the smoothie nice and cold, and what it does, the frozen berries, it acts almost as an ice cube. Next, I've got a low-fat yogurt here, and you can choose any flavour that you want. Here I'm using a strawberry, but if you wanted to use a mango or an apricot, it's up to you. And of course, I'm going to pour in some low-fat milk. So I'm just going to pop the lid straight on, and I'm just going to pulse it a few times, and then give it a good mix through. And it's as easy as this, just pour it straight into the glass. It's nice and thick. Oh, look at that. Like I said, just check out the colour. It looks absolutely beautiful, right? Let's give this a quick taste. Oh, so refreshing. And it's the perfect way to start the day for the kids. If they don't like eating a big breakfast, this is a fantastic alternative because you're giving them all the right things that they need to get started for the day. As always, the ingredients are below if you want to make this smoothie and give it a go, because the kids are going to love it. I guarantee it. You guys take care, and I'll see you next week on Nico.
The smoothies are excellent as a breakfast option in the process of losing weight, because they are rich in nutrients and fibers. While they are low in calories, they will make you feel full for a longer period of time and are good for the health of our digestive system. For preparation of the smoothies, you can include some ice or use frozen ingredients. Use fresh fruits or vegetables and leafy greens. Include some seeds, nuts, protein powders or sweeteners. Use liquid by choice, milk, water or coconut water. Use any kind of blender and smoothie ingredients. Smoothies in order to lose weight. Green smoothie. This smoothie is great if you are trying a green smoothie for the first time. It is low in calories and full with nutrients. The kale or spinach are rich in fibers which will make you feel full, while the chia seeds, apple and cinnamon are rich in antioxidants and support the digestion. Ingredients: 1 banana, 1 apple, 1 handful of kale or spinach, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of almonds, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 cup of liquid, either water, your favorite milk, or coconut water, 1 cup of ice. Put all the ingredients in the blender and make a smooth paste. Drink this smoothie on an empty stomach daily for best result. You will experience.
Hey, my name is Amanda, and I wanted to share the results that I've had using a diet called the Smoothie Diet. I started the diet after having my second son. I had gained about 70 pounds all in all throughout 2 pregnancies and had tried many other ways to take the weight off, and just nothing was working for me. Everything was just too hard, or I was hungry all the time, and I was super cranky. And so I found the smoothie diet, which is so easy to follow. You basically just make the smoothies, which taste amazing. You replace certain meals with them. The shopping lists are included, recipes are included, and all in all, it was a very easy diet for me to follow. I've been using everything I learned from the program to keep the weight coming off. So at this point, I've lost almost 70 pounds. The smoothies were absolutely delicious. They were filling. I never really felt like I was missing out on anything. And the best part, especially as a young mom, was the incredible energy that I felt like I had. I didn't even feel like I needed my morning coffee anymore. Drew was absolutely fantastic to work with. Anytime I had a question or I needed more information about something, I was able to email him and he would email me right back with the information that I needed. So I never felt like I was in the dark. I always felt like there was communication there. So I would highly recommend this smoothie diet to anyone who's looking for a really great and easy way to lose weight without feeling like you're hungry or missing out on something. Thanks and good luck.
Hey guys, it's Diesel Jane. Today we're going to be making my 3 favorite healthy weight loss smoothie recipes. Really excited to show them to you. All of these recipes are completely dairy-free, sugar-free, and also gluten-free, so they're really healthy. And they all contain good protein, healthy fats, and also good carbs, so they're all balanced breakfast smoothies. I've lost 40 pounds, and when I was trying to lose weight, these were 3 of my favorite breakfast smoothies to make. They really helped me to lose weight and get into better shape. So I'm going to show them to you today. I'm really excited. So let's get started. First, we're going to be making a healthy blueberry smoothie. This is one of my favorite smoothie recipes ever. It's so simple and refreshing, but it's still filling, and I'm just obsessed with it. I'm going to start by adding 1 banana to my blender. This is a great source of healthy carbs and will also help to make the smoothie sweet and creamy. Then I'm going to add 1/3 of an avocado. You can't taste it in the smoothie, but this adds healthy fats, which will help to keep me fuller for longer, and it also makes the smoothie really creamy and delicious. Then I'm going to add the main ingredient, the blueberries, because it's a blueberry smoothie. I'm going to use 1 cup of frozen blueberries. You can also use mixed berries if you want to instead. And these are the 3 main ingredients for the smoothie. Now I'll add about half a cup of water so that I can blend the smoothie up. Then I'm going to add a pinch of cinnamon and a pinch of ground vanilla powder. These are optional, but they add flavor and are also full of antioxidants. And then another optional ingredient, I'm going to add 1 flat tablespoon of unsweetened almond butter that I've already measured out. This adds healthy protein to the smoothie and also adds to the creaminess. And you can add a few ice cubes to make it chilled and then just blend it up. And now it's ready to drink, and it's gone such a pretty pinky purple color. It's so creamy and filling, but still refreshing, and that's why I love this blueberry smoothie so much. The second weight loss smoothie we're going to make today is my favorite healthy chocolate smoothie. Yes, you heard me right, healthy chocolate smoothie. Even though this recipe is chocolate, it's a simple recipe, simple, healthy, and perfect. So first I'm going to add 1 banana to my blender. Again, this adds healthy carbs and makes the smoothie sweet and creamy. Then 1/3 of an avocado for healthy fats and extra creaminess. And 2 to 4 teaspoons of cacao powder, which is just raw and sweetened cocoa powder. This is what will make the smoothie chocolatey, obviously, but raw cacao powder is so good for you. It's full of nutrients and antioxidants. And these are the 3 main ingredients for the smoothie. Now I'll add half a cup of water so that it blends. And then this is optional, but to the smoothie I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of unsweetened macadamia nut butter. This adds healthy fats and protein to the smoothie. You can also use almond or cashew nut butter. And a little cinnamon and ground vanilla powder, again optional, but it just adds that little pop of flavor. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of 100% pure maple syrup. This is optional to make it a little sweeter. It's often sweet enough for me using just the banana. And then add some ice cubes to make it chilled, and then just blend it up. And it's just pure chocolate deliciousness. It's gone so creamy and it's just perfect. And it's even okay to have the smoothie for breakfast, which I'm obsessed with doing because chocolate for breakfast is the best. The third and final smoothie that we're going to make today is a banana yogurt smoothie. This is such a simple recipe, but it's so good. I love this smoothie because it's super refreshing and really simple, but it's still really filling. First, what I'm going to do is add 1 banana to my blender. You can use fresh or frozen banana for any of these recipes. And then 2/3 of a cup of coconut yogurt, or you can also use another type of yogurt. I like to use coconut yogurt as a dairy-free option, but you can also use regular full cream yogurt if you do eat dairy, or another healthy yogurt substitute. And these are the 2 main ingredients of the smoothie. Now I'll add about 1/4 cup of water. You don't need too much water for the smoothie because you've already got the yogurt. Then add a pinch of cinnamon and ground vanilla powder for extra flavor if you want to. And cinnamon not only makes it taste extra yummy, it also helps to stabilize blood sugar levels, which is really great. And now for extra protein, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of natural unsweetened peanut butter. I love to use peanut butter with this smoothie, but you can also use almond butter or cashew nut butter. Again, this is an optional ingredient, but it's great for getting extra protein in your smoothie. And just add a few ice cubes before you blend it up. And now it's ready and it's looking so creamy and perfect and delicious. I love this smoothie because it's super refreshing and really simple, but it's still really filling. All of these smoothie recipes serve 1, and they're all pretty low in calories, but they all still contain lots of good nutrients, which is what is so great about them. The blueberry smoothie will give you 380 calories with the added nut butter for extra protein, and only 280 calories without it. The healthy chocolate smoothie will give you 300 calories with the added nut butter and only 200 calories without it. And the banana yogurt smoothie is roughly 300 calories with the added nut butter and only 200 calories without it. Also depending on what kind of yogurt you choose to use. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed making my 3 weight loss smoothie recipes with me. And if you enjoyed it, then make sure that you like it and share it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'm also going to put the full recipes over on my blog for you, so I'm going to put a link to that below this video. If you would like an example of a full eating plan for weight loss, I'm going to put a link below this video to an eating plan that you can go download on my blog. It's an eating plan for weight loss and it's totally free, so you can just go check it out if you want to. So I'm going to put a link to that below this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see